Just like the wind. With just one touch, I can